I've just come to share with you some more kits that I've made up, and they will be listed in my shop. Now I've made 5 kits up. They're a little bit different to the ones last night, as in the fabrics and the laces are different. So I just went through my stash and just put little bundles together. So you'll see, I'm only going to show one kit because the rest, like I say, the rest of them are all like, they're near enough the same, apart from these are different in some of the bundles. So I'm just going to show you this first, then I can put that to one side. So you've got this lovely wide lace trim, and then there is this lace trim. It's like a beigey colour, a bit vintagey looking. We have a length of this trim, and then there is this, which is it's like a ribbon. You could kind of use that as a belly band or on a pocket or something. So there's that. Then we have the pockets. So we have 2 of these, and they've been stenciled and decorated, as you can see. There is 2 of these ones. There is 4 of the corner flips, so they flip up. And there is 4 envelopes, which I haven't glued down, just because, like I said in yesterday's video, not quite sure how someone would want to use that. So, you know, you could actually put little booklets inside them, or, you know, staple or sew them in. There's 4 of them. Then we have 6 tabs and 10 tickets, and I'm going to keep them paper clipped together. There we go. There is 2 of the jelly bean soup pockets, so they're just ready to fold and glue. So there's 2 of those. We have 2 little coin envelopes. They're in a brown craft colour. There is 4 index cards that you could, I don't know, stamp, coffee dye, decoupage on. There is some vintage music paper. There is a sheet, it's a family group record, and I had quite a lot of this, so I thought I would share some in the kit. Whoops. Another vintage music sheet. We have, now this is out of the Black Cat old vintage booklet. You can actually see where the staples had got kind of old and rusty, so there's a double page there. These are huge. These are out of a flower illustration book. Now that's like, oh, they are huge. So I mean, you could do many things with them. You could cut them up, make pages, cut things up, decoupage it, whatever you do, however your mind thinks. So there's that, and then there's that one. Sorry I can't get it on frame, but they are huge pages. There is 2 Edith Holden, and there is 4 Greek dictionary pages, and then there is 4 tea-dyed dictionary phrase book. I can't remember what they're called now. Anyway, there's them. There's 2 of these tea-dyed doilies, 2 large ones. There is 2 of these, they've been tea-dyed as well. It's all been tea-dyed. The lined paper. There is 2 large, like A4 size, lined paper. There is 2 squared paper, which has been tea-dyed again. And then there is 10 coffee dyed pages. So that is what you get in the kit, and like I said, there are 5 of these available if you're interested. I'll put the link to my shop below. There is a 10% discount. We've only got 2 days left, ends on the 31st, so there is there's that to to take advantage of as well. You must use the discount code before going to PayPal and paying. I can't refund afterwards, I'm afraid. So yeah, just please use the code. And I think it's on the, if you're on the computer, it's on the left hand side and it says coupon code. I think that's what it said, or discount code. So I'll just put the code in as it said below. And if you have any questions about this, then just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.